Do you want to know some expressions that you could be using while shopping in Burundi? Welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing so that you can't miss any update from this channel. Today in this video, guys, I'm going to share about shopping expressions that you can use while you shop in Burundi. This is the part 2. You can say, I'm looking for trousers. In Kirundi you say, ndiko ndondera ipantaro. Ndiko ndondera ipantaro. I'm looking for trousers. Ndiko ndondera ipantaro. I need new glasses. I need new glasses. Nkeneye amarori mashasha. Nkeneye amarori mashasha. Nkeneye amarori mashasha. What size do you take? What size do you take? Wambara nimero zingahe? Wambara nimero zingahe? I take size 42. I take size 42. Nambara nimero mirongine na zibiri. Nambara nimero mirongine na zibiri. It is too big. It is too big. Ni nini cyane. Ni nini cyane. It is too small. It is too small. Ni nto cyane. Ni nto cyane. To buy in Kirundi is kugura. Kugura. To exchange in Kirundi means kuvunja. Kuvunja. To pay in Kirundi means kuriha. 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 A customer or a client in Kirundi is umukiriya. 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 A market in Kirundi is isoko. Isoko.